So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can take a bullshot photos in HOTWAV T5 Pro. So in the first step, open the camera app, now tap on the settings icon and enable the continue shot. Select that you want to take the 10 or 20 pictures, go back to the camera and just tap on the shutter button. Now we took 10 photos, and if you need to pick the best one, open it in the gallery and click on this little icon. And as you can see, we have all the photos with the bullshot, so choose your favorite one and delete the rest of them. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.